What's up, everyone? Yeah, we're on the way to the meetup tonight, guys. This one's a parking structure meet, so it's gonna be a little bit different. It's not really like a roll night or anything like that. It is more just about like a car show for the cars. Think of it like really good lighting. And yeah, just lots of cool cars, guys. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. This is Jules City, also known as Jules.mk7 on the IG. You can follow me there, guys. I post a lot of cool stuff. This is a Stage 2 GTI on full E85. So we've got the front mount intercooler up front, cooling it down, and we have a aftermarket downpipe to increase spooling and give it a lot more power. That's the meat of the power. Today's video is sponsored by Check Engine Lights. Oh, fuck. So we got a sale today. I wasn't really doing anything, just driving normally. It's mainly just my downpipe. It's throwing that code, so it's nothing too crazy. Every now and then I would get an underboost code, so maybe this time it's an underboost code. I don't know. We'll see.
It can kill with one blow.
Oh, is that a RS3? I don't know. I think that's an RS3. Damn, should I don't know, man. I don't know. Sick. The car looks sick. I love RS3s. But yeah, I'm excited for tonight's meet, and it should be pretty damn cool. So yeah, see you when we get there. Boy, look at all these Z's and G's. Oh man. The Z boys. And all these guys out here. It's crowded, guys. I don't know. Traffic is just stopped. I don't know what's happening. I've always liked the single exit look on all like the Z's. It just looks pretty clean to me. See that guy up there? He has the right idea too. Damn. Fresh. Clean boys. I can already tell there's a lot of nice cars out here, and I can just imagine what it looks like inside the actual meet. So, damn, can we just get there already? God damn, look at the tips on that ST. 4-inch tips. That's pretty loud. That thing must be pretty damn loud. Super at the front. Woo! Sick.
One person.
Oh yeah. Look at that Supra. Type S? Huh? Nice. Alright, I think we're finally gonna make it in, guys, after all this damn way. Look at that AMG. Clean 240. Oh shit. Here we are, guys. It's so crowded in here. I'm like literally driving through a mob of people. What is going on? I see all this smoke. Is that a Hellcat? Burning some rubber in here. Oh man. What is going on? I guess I came when all the action is happening, huh? Yo, I literally can barely see through this. This is insane how much smoke is in here. I don't even know if I want to put my windows down right now. Good thing they're closed. Yo, what is going on? Yo, let me pass through. I know. That's funny. Well, everyone's leaving now, and it's been super damn loud in here. We saw a couple cars. We came in kind of late just because we came in on the other side, and everything was just backed up, but everyone's heading out. I'm about to head over to the ethanol station. I don't need to pump, but we got a couple of GTI guys out there, so we're gonna beat them up. I'll see you guys once we get over there. EPC light.
Huh?
EPC.
Oh, okay, I'll follow you, I'll follow you.
Yeah. Good runs though. The second one on the freeway, you got me, but at the same time, the road that I was on was like, I was like, oh shit. And he was catching up to both of us.
Oh yeah, bro, he's fucking fast. There's 2 lanes. When I hit that big dip, bro, I got so scared.
Oh.
You can hear my oil pan hit the ground. And I was like,
oh. Cause like, what are you lowered on? Coils?
yeah, I'm on coils. Raceland. Don't get Raceland coils.
Don't get it?
Bro,
I have springs.
The ride, so ass.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get some ghosting.
Oh, you're putting 91?
What?
You're putting 91?
I'm E30.
Oh, I thought you were 85.
No, I'm E30.
Oh, your shit's pretty quick then.
I don't even have a high pressure filter.
Man, you did fucking amazing then.
Yeah, you did pretty good.
Yeah. Oh! I was like, no way, you should